What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Rule Hard Garage. I am super excited for this week's video because I didn't think I was going to make a video like this until springtime. It's going to be like 50 degrees today. Me and Scotty are going to go out on the bikes. We're getting the GoPros charged up right now. Me and him are going to test out some Milwaukee Heated Jackets, the M12 Heated Jacket. We've been testing them pretty thoroughly at work as far as the battery life and stuff is concerned, and I'm kind of interested if they'll work on a motorcycle. Are they windproof? How well is the windproofing? Do they keep you warm? I actually used mine in the last video. It was much colder than it is today. It was like 27 degrees outside, and it seemed to work pretty well, but I wasn't out for very long. So I actually used this jacket in the last video, which if you didn't watch that, I'll link that up above. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. Keep watching because we're going to go out, have some fun on the bikes, and test out these Milwaukee jackets. Where's the quick shifter? Wow! So this plug was just up there?
Yep, right under the tank here.
That's tight. Woo! Lindsay's not going with us today because
we have a child that someone has to take care of.
you're off. My jacket's off. It's not cold. Why don't you take, I'll follow you. Yesterday, a curvy road. You're the tour guide.
It just flew off, or?
I had it under my balls because I was trying to change the thing, but my gloves weren't working on the screen.
Quick shifter works.
Good? You just hit the gear shifter and she goes?
Yep.
Like
and
fucking magic. Oh my god, gas is so cheap. This is incredible. God damn, she was empty as shit. I looked down.
You have to hit the reserve?
I was already on reserve, I forgot. I like looked down and it's like buried. I'm like, oh no. Cause my first thought was like, fuck, we're like, there's no gas station, but I forgot about this one.
Are you recording most of this shit or what?
This one I'm not, because I've got this one on 120 frames per second. I have it on 60. I rode all the way through town on 60, which is like 50%. This is 25% at 240, so it'll be like super fucking buttery, smooth, delicious wheelie mode. A 2-second wheelie will take like 2 minutes. So what do you think about the Milwaukee jacket there, Scott?
It works.
I think what I don't like about it is that it's hard to see what I'm actually on. When we were riding, I couldn't tell. I still don't know what I'm on.
What am I on?
You're on, what's blue?
Medium.
You're on medium. Are you hot?
No, actually not.
So I'm actually, he's got a layer over his. I don't, because when I used this like last week, I felt like it did pretty good for wind protection. I still feel the same. It's got this neck. The neck like zips up, which if you look under like your helmet, yeah, sort of. Your neck's too long.
Does that help?
There you go. I think the biggest downfall is the battery life. I had mine on like low for 9 to 10 to 11 to 12, 1, 2. Either way, you need to come up with a way to power it off of the bike.
We're working on that.
Scott's an electrician, so Scott's gonna wire it all up, and then we're just gonna plug it into the bike, and then we're just gonna be good to go. I don't actually know if there's like things that compare to this, something like this.
There's snowmobile gear that's powered.
Snowmobile gear. It would be probably more expensive.
I would think so.
I mean, this is only $200. 6 amp hour battery doesn't fit. Well, it does fit, but it's enormous. I mean, look here, let me show you where they put the battery. The battery's right here, which is okay. If you just got like the 2 amp hour battery in, then it's fine. But the problem is that like you get in a car and like you like lean back, it like jams you like right in the goddamn kidney. And then if you put like the big battery in, like the 6 amp hour, it's like fucking just enormous compared to this battery. So it's like, I'm not sure why they put the battery here. On the bike, you're not too bad, but like getting in and out of a car, it's actually pretty inconvenient. So maybe they were thinking of motorcycles. Maybe they designed it for motorcycle riders. I'm going back there. I want to get a picture.
You're gonna sink right into that shit. Yeah. It's fucking mud. Perfect.
Jump to the road on the KTM. On this thing, yeah, it's all fucking wet, you nuts. Where's the, go get your DR, Mr. Dirt Bike Guy. Ah, great.